Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you another cool animation that you can create with these with this Mercury effect, and it is going to be this one. So first of all, we're going to start with a background, so I'll show you how to create this kind of grid background, and then from there do this colorful Mercury effect. So let's go on After Effects, and as always we'll create a new composition, and let's go with the HD resolution. First of all, I'm just going to create a new solid black color as a background, and now we need to create a grid. So to do that, we're going to need we need to create a new solid, but this time it will be white because the grid will be white. So on this white background, we need to apply an effect, and it is called grid. So let's go under the generate and apply the grid effect. Now, as you can see, it creates the grid, but we need to make some adjustments here on the effects controls. First, I'm going to change the size forms to width slider. I'm going to change the width to 50, and also I'm going to change the border to 1. So yeah, now I'm going to make another copy of this white solid. I'm going to rename this, so let's call this grid 1. I'm going to duplicate it by clicking Ctrl D. And this is the second grid. So now we need to make some adjustments here. I'm just going to make the width 100 and the border 2. So yeah, now we can see that we have this kind of grid. But as we saw from the video, there are also these dots. So we're going to do that. We're going to need to create a new composition, and it will be just a small size, like 50 with 50, just a square composition. I'll click OK. Going to zoom in, and let's open the tools. I'm going to use the ellipse tool. So I'm going to hold Alt key and Shift and Control or Command on a Mac, and yeah, just a small circle. Going to change the fill color to white, and the stroke is to none, so it should be this red line in the middle. So I'll click OK, and now let's go to the main composition, and let's go to the project, and we need to apply this second composition that we created in the center. So now you can see that we have just one dot in the center, and we need to animate it to fill the whole space with these dots. And to do that, we need to use again this CC reptile and apply it on the composition of the circle, and we need to animate all these options. This is expand option, so I'm going to click on all of them, and let's move to the first second, and let's just animate the expand right and also expand left. And from here we can also animate these other ones. I'm just going to add just a little bit to expand on the down and up option, just to set a keyframe, and I'm going to move to the third second. We can see the seconds here, and yeah, let's just fill the whole background. So I'm going to just fill the whole background, and let's click play. Yeah, now we can see that we created the animated background. So the next step would be to do the Mercury colorful effect. So see you on the next video.